What's up guys, I'm back with my typical month-long break without posting. Not a lot planned for today, but we're gonna see what we get into. Right now I'm gonna go head over to my friend Alex's place, which is literally right down the complex. And we're gonna go work on his new wheels.
We're boring out my wheels because they don't fit.
So show them the process. I don't know if I would use this on like really expensive wheels, but it's definitely working, so I'd say it's a good option for like
Facebook wheels.
Facebook wheels, exactly. But basically the setup here, we got a Harbor Freight trim router.
Yes, sir.
And he's just going around and taking some material off. Obviously the reason he's doing this is because the hub didn't fit. So right there is bigger than there, so he's taking some material off and trying to make them fit. These are the ones that he's boring out right now, BBS's. And then this is his weak ass car that they're going on. Acura RSX Type S. What's wrong with my vacuum?
Should I try it on with the spacer?
Are you gonna get the rest of that out?
Doesn't matter. It doesn't suck it up. I'll just pick it up later. I'll vacuum it up later.
You got that shit
No,
everywhere.
I'm gonna broom it out.
You see the floor?
I know, I'm gonna broom when I'm done.
I guess, yeah.
Do my legs. I'm not bad.
Yeah.
Almost.
Yeah, it's way close. Alright, so it still doesn't fit, so he's gonna take off more material.
Actually. Okay, so pretty much, see the center board right here? It is too small to fit on my car. What the fuck, is that a dent on my car? Oh, never mind, I think I'm just tweaking. But yeah, it's too small, so I need to make it bigger so it can actually sit on the, sit flush on the wheel hub or rotor, whatever. This is a trim router. Got a cheap ass Hercules bit from Harbor Freight on it. Yeah. Let's fucking do this. Hopefully it fits. I don't want to get. There we go, bro. W.
Nice.
Let's go.
So she fits. Yeah, throw the lug nuts on, and you should technically be able to lower it to the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, yours is new. It's hard to turn slow. Oh shit.
Damn. It looks lower too.
Yeah, because the sidewall. No, it's not gonna rub either.
Damn.
It looks good though.
Yo, that's so
I actually
nice.
really like that. Alright, so the wheels fit, and now we just have to repeat the process 3 more times.
Yeah.
So, do you think that bit's gonna last though?
If not, I'll go buy another one.
So the problem we ran into was that the bit is actually made for wood, so it's running out really fast.
Yeah.
But I mean, if it works, it works. They're just kind of expensive.
Yeah, fuck it.
But I guess just repeat the process on this one and then those two.
I at least I just hope it lasts me for like maybe this wheel at least. Because
Yeah.
if I gotta get a new one for each wheel, it'll be like $60.
Right.
Bits.
But I mean, it definitely came out really good. Wheels look nice on the car.
I don't mind it at all.
I really like it.
We should go clean them after.
Yeah, we should. Just like that, the last one's getting bolted on.
Just like that, I didn't spend $400. I mean, I didn't waste $400.
Here are your keys, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Show me Brembos.
Oh yeah, these are Alex's weak ass fake Brembos.
These fake, are you dumb? These are for another video though.
Yeah,
you won't see them for a while.
This will be in another video someday. Basically, they're TL
Type S. Yeah.
TL Type S Brembos that Alex got for pretty cheap, and he's gonna be putting them on eventually. But right now, he doesn't have the stuff to do it, so. It looks good. But yeah, just like that, they're all done. I think this is a pretty easy process that a lot of you guys could do at home. It only took what, like an hour and a half?
Yeah, like an hour.
Really not too bad. I'm gonna leave a link for all the stuff that we use in the description, just in case you guys want to do it yourself. And yeah, that's kind of it though. Car looks really good.